Hello everyone, welcome in my new kitchen. I hope you're gonna like new videos here. And for the first recipe, I'm gonna make pork tenderloin with corn puree, onion foam, mushrooms and coriander. So I hope you're gonna like it and let's do it. So first thing I have to do is to bake some onions for my foam. So I peel them and put little bit of vegetable oil and bake them inside the oven on a high heat until they get little bit of color. Then I start with the corn puree. So I'm gonna peel some corn and then shave it. I'm gonna need also some shallots for the puree, so I peel them as well and chop them roughly. I start with vegetable oil inside the pot and then coming shallots in. I wanna put also some garlic in, so I chop it a little bit and put it inside the pot as well. Now it's time for a little bit of butter and then is coming corn in. Cover it with the water and leave it to cook until the corn will be soft. At this time, our onions baked, so I just slice them in half. Cover them with milk, put thyme in, season it with salt and pepper, and I'm gonna cook it very slowly so everything will infuse inside the milk. Corn is soft now, so I put double cream in, season it with salt and pepper, and I cook it for a few more minutes. Last thing is coming in fresh lime juice, and then I just blitz everything in the blender, pass it through the chinois, and corn puree is done. And now it's time to start with the meat. I just clean a little bit this pork tenderloin. Season it properly with salt and pepper, and I'm gonna give it nice crust on the pan. And guys, if you like today's recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and if you're first time here, click the subscribe button down below so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro at home. And then finish it for a few more minutes in the oven. Next thing I have to do are mushrooms. So I chop this oyster mushroom into small pieces and I'm gonna roast them on high heat. Also, cook corn in the salted boiling water for around 5 minutes and then shave it. Meat is ready, so I'm gonna take it out from the oven and leave it to rest on the side. Mushrooms have nice color, so I put splash of white wine vinegar, also a little bit of butter, and then cooked corn, and my garnish are ready. Now I'm gonna pass my onion milk through the chinois and it will be ready for the plating. And if we do corn recipe, there has to be popcorn in as well. So just put it inside the microwave and cook it there. The last thing is to cut the meat and I'm ready for plating. Today I'm gonna do 2 plating options. The second one you can watch like always on my Patreon page. I start with lime corn puree on the bottom. Then is coming pork tenderloin, few spoons of my mix of mushrooms and corn, few popcorns on the top, few spoons of my onion foam, and finish it with fresh coriander. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you would like to learn more about fine dining cooking or get my personal one-on-one coaching, all the links are in the description down below. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.